Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen, Katta. How are you doing today? I'm sure you all are doing well and enjoying this beautiful Diwali season. A very, very, very happy Diwali to you and your loved ones. I hope you enjoy it to the fullest. Now, let's see what is in this Faral Thali. Chakli, शेव, रव्याचा लाडू, चिरोटे, रोज लाडू, पान लाडू, बेसनाचा लाडू, what is it? Peda, shankarpale. You can see some makhana chivda. You can see pohacha chivda. Pohacha chivda recipe is on my YouTube channel. Enjoy it. So, oh yeah, and there is coconut laddu too. Beautiful Diwali with beautiful diyas. Be happy, be merry, be safe. Happy cooking. Happy Diwali.